Hello you guys! Today we're gonna prepare cheese mozzarella garlic bread that tastes delicious. In a bowl, add 300 grams of flour, 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams of yeast, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 100 ml of milk, and mix well. Try this recipe at home and write in the comments what you think. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now sprinkle some flour on a chopping board and put the dough on it. Knead it until smooth. It needs to look like this. Add 30 grams of butter on the dough and keep kneading until they blend together. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on sharing our recipes. We'd love to know. Sprinkle some more flour on the board and leave the dough to rest, covered with a cloth for 1 hour. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of parsley and chives, 3 smashed garlic cloves, 20 grams of butter, and 1 egg yolk. Mix well. After 1 hour, our dough has doubled in size. Gently squeeze it with your hands to take off the air from the dough. Take the dough and put it in a baking pan greased with butter and dusted with flour. Using a knife, make 5 cuts on the dough, then another 5 in the opposite direction. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then share the video with your friends and comment below, "I love bread." Once you're done with the cuts, add on top of the bread the mixture we previously prepared and spread well. Slice an entire mozzarella cheese. Add the slices inside the cuts on the bread until they're all filled. Put the bread in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And our recipe is ready! Look how mouth-watering delicious it is! I hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!